Welcome to our video on how to make money with AI in 2026 using free AI tools. In this video, we'll be covering 3 methods to make money with AI, including content creation, affiliate marketing, and selling AI-generated products. Method 1 is content creation, where you can use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate high-quality content, such as blog posts, videos, and social media posts, and sell them to clients or use them to drive traffic to your website. For example, I used ChatGPT to generate a series of blog posts on a niche topic and sold them to a client for $200. Method 2 is affiliate marketing, where you can use AI tools like DALL-E to generate eye-catching images and videos and promote affiliate products to your audience. For example, I used DALL-E to generate a series of images promoting a product and earned a commission of $100. Method 3 is selling AI-generated products, such as ebooks, courses, and software, using AI tools like language models and generative models. For example, I used a language model to generate an ebook on a niche topic and sold it for $20. In our bonus tip, we'll be covering how to use AI tools to automate your marketing efforts and save time and money. For example, you can use AI tools like Hootsuite to schedule your social media posts and save time and effort. In conclusion, making money with AI in 2026 is easier than ever, using free AI tools, and we hope you've learned something new and valuable from this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on AI and personal finance, and hit the notification bell to stay updated.